Happy Juneteenth, Aggies. Today we celebrate Juneteenth, a historic day commemorating one of the oldest celebrations of the abolition of slavery in the United States. It's also known as Freedom Day, Emancipation Day, or Juneteenth Independence Day. In 2021, it was established as a federal and a campus holiday. As we celebrate the holiday, let us not forget the importance of introspection. We must look back at our nation's past, the progress we've made in the name of equity, and the challenges that still lie ahead. At UC Davis, we're committed to advancing racial equity. Initiatives such as Aggie Black Excellence empower action and strategic planning to shape the university's future of education and opportunity. Today I'm joined by Ebony Lewis, Chief Strategy Officer at the UC Davis Office of Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion. Ebony and her team lead the Aggie Black Excellence Project. Ebony, could you share a little more about it?
I would be happy to, Chancellor May. So the Aggie Black Excellence Project is committed to elevating the visibility of Black excellence and addressing anti-Blackness. We focus on researching existing and new recruitment, retention, and advancement projects, as well as opportunities for collaboration in programs that are related to African diasporic people at UC Davis that align with the university's strategic plan to boldly go. You can learn more about the project at aggieblackexcellence.ucdavis.edu.
Thank you, Ebony, for all the work you and your team are doing to promote Black excellence at UC Davis. I also want to thank our partners for organizing a successful YOLO Juneteenth event earlier in the month on campus. It included a Black Family Evening of Celebration that provided space for UC Davis students to share their talents and connect in community. Families from all over came together to reflect on our past and celebrate our progress. Today serves as a reminder that the fight for freedom and equality is ongoing, and that we all have a role to play in creating a better future for ourselves and for generations to come.